Happy day, students. Today I am going to teach you conditionals part 2. Already we have seen the 4 types of conditionals. Today we are going to see inversion in conditional clause. Okay, inversion means it is formed by inversion of the subject and the auxiliary verb. Inversion is used in conditional sentences where if is replaced by should, where and had. Okay, so should, where and had should be replaced. So you should note down in these sentences if is completely removed. Now in the conditional sentences, first conditional you see, if you should require any more information, please contact me. So you can see the answer in inversion. Should you require any more information, please contact me. This is for the first condition. Moving on to conditional 2. If I were a kite, I would fly. See here, this is imaginary condition. So in inversion, were I a kite, I would fly. Conditional 3 you see, if I had known about your illness, I would have visited you. See the answer how it will be. You have to remove if and you have to bring had to the first place. Had I known about your illness, I would have visited you. Dear students, you note down when the verb to be inverted is negative, we use not after the subject. Okay, see the example. If she had not played well, she wouldn't have won the match. Okay, so how will be the answer written? Had she not played well, she wouldn't have won the match. Let us see some more examples, okay, in this exercise. First one, if I had had a cycle, I would have come earlier to school. So, what will be the inversion? Had I had a cycle, I would have come earlier to school. Second one, if I were a river, I would help the farmers. The inversion is, were I a river, I would help the farmers. Next one you see, if you should need my help, just call me. Okay, the inversion will be like this. Should you need my help, just call me. Dear students, now we shall see the exercises on conditionals. Okay, at first, see which of the options given below will suit the following sentence. Okay, first one, if you are kind, what will be the answer? Option A. If you are kind, people will love you. Okay. Second one, if she danced well, what will be the option? If she danced well, it is past tense. She would get the first prize. Option B. Third one, if I were a river, see, were a river, this also second conditional, past tense. Okay. So if I were a river, I would be helpful to farmers. This is option B. Fourth one, if the driver had been alert. If the driver had been alert, this is the last conditional. Okay, if the driver had been alert, the accident could have been avoided. Okay, if the driver had been alert, the accident could have been avoided. Moving on to the fifth one, if this morning had been sunny, this is all the last conditional. You see, the option is B. Okay, we would have gone for a picnic. See the next exercise. From the context of the 2 sentences given below, form a single sentence using the if clause. Okay, first one, pay attention, learn a lot. So what will be the answer? If you pay attention, you will learn a lot. Second one, you see, Idaya had no car. She did not help me go to Chennai. So what will be the answer? If Idaya had had a car, she would have helped me go to Chennai. Moving ahead to third one, the judge did not find out the truth. He did not sentence him to death. So answer will be, if the judge had found out the truth, he would have sentenced him to death. Moving ahead to fourth one, work hard, you will succeed in life. Answer will be, if you work hard, you will succeed in life. This is open condition. Okay. Moving ahead to fifth one. Kalai did not have a cycle. She did not reach school early. So answer will be, if Kalai had had a cycle, she would have reached school early. And sixth one, you make a promise, keep it. Answer is, if you make a promise, keep it. Seventh one, you waste water, you suffer. So what will be the answer? If you waste water, you will suffer. This is open condition. Eighth one, you did not attend the class regularly, you failed in English. So answer will be like this. If you had attended the class regularly, you would not have failed in English. Moving ahead to the ninth one, Sita studies well. She passes the exam. So if Sita studies well, she will pass the exam. This is also open condition. 10th one, don't tell lies, you will be punished. Answer is, if you tell lies, you will be punished. 11th one, it rains, I shall get wet. If it rains, I shall get wet. 12th one, don't play with fire, you will get burnt. So answer is, if you play with fire, you will get burnt. 13th one, solve the crossword puzzle, you win a prize. So answer will be, if you solve the crossword puzzle, you will win a prize. So hope you have understood this if clause. Now we shall move on to the inversion type. Okay. Now we shall see inversion in conditional clause exercises on it. Okay. First one, if an angel were to tell me such a thing of her, I would not believe it. So what will be the answer? If should be removed. Were an angel to tell me such a thing of her, I would not believe it. Moving ahead to second one, if I were the principal of my school, I would abolish examinations. So answer will be, were I the principal of my school, I would abolish examinations. Third one, if I had known you were ill, I would have called on you. So third one answer, had it I known you were ill, I would have called on you. Fourth one, if I were not for the expenses involved, I would go by air. If it were not for the expenses involved, I would go by air. So fourth one, were it not for the expenses involved, I would go by air. That means I would go by flight. Fifth one, if you should be late once again, you will lose your job. So what will be the answer for fifth one? Should you be late once again, you will lose your job. Sixth one, if the school were to go back on its promise, there would be a strike. Okay. So sixth one, were the school to go back on its promise, there would be a strike. Seventh one, if you should need to meet me, you can call this number. So should you need to meet me, you can call this number. Moving on to eighth one, if he had met me, I would have helped him. So eighth one answer, had he met me, I would have helped him. Ninth one, if they had written a letter, they would have received one. So answer will be, had they written a letter, they would have received one. Moving ahead to the last one, if I had seen Malar at the bus stop, I would have told her to wait. So answer, had I seen Malar at the bus stop, I would have told her to wait. Now just you can see the answers for these 10 questions. Okay. So dear students, hope you have understood conditionals and the inversion in conditionals, and with this I wind up the class and we shall meet in the next class. Thank you.